Hey friends, if you wish to check PC specifications on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So simply search for system in the Windows search bar and then go to system information. You'll find each and every specification here. I don't use the other options to be honest because this one has all the informations required. For example, it tells the processor, it tells the OS name, it will let you know the system details, whether it's 64-bit or whatever, and then in the BIOS version and every other version. And if you want more details, the memory is the RAM. Then you can expand hardware resources, you can select for components, and you can select for software environment. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.